Tomorrow, we learn how to brake. Woohoo! Eat my radioactive dust, Gretch!
Give it up, McGee!
Yeah! McGee slides to victory! Please tell me this is mud.
I think you had a little accident, didn't you, boy?
I'd hate to see a big one.
Ah, the sweet smell of victory.
Out of the way, bottom feeders!
Oh, great! Buttsquat.
You scared him! Pinky!
Sweet!
Behold, the Buttsquat Beach Blitzer! Look upon it and drool. Weapons-grade titanium frame, double turbo thrusters, auto-inflating white walls, 7 cup holders, and a mobile missile launcher. The Blitzer is the fastest car on the lake. Ew, please tell me this is mud.
That's nothing compared to my, super cool McGee mud mover.
As if you don't have a car. We do so, and it will beat your butt blaster any day of the week.
Oh yeah? Let's see it, McLiar.
It's, getting super cool racing stripes painted on. Yeah, so cool, you'll get frostbite just looking at him.
I don't want to look at it.
Fine, then put your car where your mouth is. Winner takes all.
You got it. We win, we get your ride. You win, like that'll ever happen. You get ours.
Fine, see you at the race, McDweeb.
Did they say race?
I'll get the blazers.
I'll get the microphone with the sweet squishy ball of sun top.
And don't forget to bring my new muck mover.
So cool you'll get frostbite?
Uh-huh.
Better get working on it.
Yep.
Frostbite? I'll start knitting the mittens.
Lampreys and banshees, race fans of all ages, it's time for the Slimeball Run!
It's an impressive matchup. The Buttsquat Beach Blaster versus the McGee Mud Mover.
Don't mind me. This has nothing to do with the mud mover, just a random tire rolling game.
Wow! You call that a racer? It's a junkyard on wheels.
Yeah? We'll see what you have to say about it when it wins the race. The mud mover's got futuristic aerodynamics, state-of-the-art zero pollution exhaust, and a frost-free body.
Let's go! I'm not racing for that hunk of junk.
Yeah, it's super pathetico.
Oh, yeah? You wanna up the bet?
Sure, if you win the race, you get the Blitzer. When we win the race, we get Lakebottom.
You're on!
What just happened?
I think we just bet Camp Lakebottom.
Whoa, these stakes are sky high. They're betting the camp.
And I'm betting it's bye-bye Lakebottom.
Keep it together, Armand. We're on pretend TV.
Okay, campers, start your engines!
Lakebottom will make an awesome parking lot.
Or the perfect dump. No renovations needed.
Yeah, well, you gotta win first.
On the mark, get set, go!
Come on, come on! For the love of Lakebottom, get going! Woohoo!
The fate of Lakebottom is in the hands of Team Mud Mover.
We're doomed, aren't we?
Pretty much.
This is gonna be easier than we thought.
Hey, it actually works!
Not for long. Watch out!
Pinky!
See you around, lamoids.
Follow that armadillo!
Be careful, guys! And watch out for Pinky!
Phew! Our bottom dwellers are turning that spin into a win.
You bet, Sawyer. As long as they don't end up spinning their wheels in the swamp. Please tell me that you're preparing an omelet.
I was going to ask you the same question.
Hey, sis! We're back!
Back in last place, you mean?
Oh, looks like you've got a flat.
You haven't won yet, Buttsquat! Well, at least the airbag works.
Looks like the mud mover is sunk, and so is our camp. No, 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 no!
Me, you! There's enough gas in this swamp to float an elephant.
Hey! Quick! Give that skunk cabbage a squeeze!
Nice. Stinky.
Yes! Give the other tires a shot of gas while I start this baby up.
Gotcha.
The Beach Blitzer will be ours!
And we'll save Camp Lakebottom.
Yeah!
The mud mover is back in the race! This swamp gas is bad.
Sorry, that one was me. I have a nervous tummy.
Enjoy your last ride in our Beach Blitzer, Buttsquat!
Oh, I'm gonna be riding it right into my Lakebottom parking lot.
McGee! Stinky Pits, dead ahead.
Whoa! I think I broke the brakes.
Oh no, we're falling. What will we do?
Here's something I didn't forget.
I'm impressed. Not impressed!
Well, race fans, things are going downhill fast for Team Lakebottom.
You can say that again.
Oh, tell me that was the balloon.
It was the balloon.
Ha! It's not that easy to get rid of me, Snoozy. Actually, it is. Your sister is a bubble brain. Ow!
A dangerous bubble brain! Ow! Whoa!
Nice one, Suze. Time to split you two up.
It's not over yet, Buttsquat!
Looks like McGee and Gretchen snatched defeat from the jaws of victory.
Farewell, Camp Lakebottom. Pardon me.
You really should see someone about that.
The fake announcers are right. We could lose the camp.
Perfect! Come on. Come on. Yes! Hop on, Gretch.
Sweet!
We're still in the race.
This titanic tiff of titans has taken a topsy-turvy turn into turbulence.
Well, you can say that again.
Actually, I don't think I can.
Hey, Buttsquat! Check out our new wheels.
See you at the finish line, losers.
Don't let the big bad cars scare you, Pinky. You're safe here. Oh, come on!
Hey, Squirt, mind if I borrow your freaky little pet?
No! Pinky!
Release the steamroller.
Yes! Enjoy the rear view, Susie. Oh, McGee, pedal to the metal.
Leave it to Buttsquat to take low-down cheating to new highs.
No, I can't bear to see our camp flattened.
But it sure makes exciting television.
I think I'm going to look into a new imaginary profession.
That runaway Pinky is heading right for Lakebottom. Take the toilet seat and finish the race, Gretch.
I'm on it.
I'm gonna hitch a ride. Okay, Pinky, let's roll.
Ha! Even if McGoofy saves Lakebottom, he can't win this race. Sunny Smiles rules!
I've never seen anything like this, race fans. Can Team Lakebottom win the race and save the camp?
My answer is no!
Let's put some bats in this.
Camp Lakebottom is mine!
Well, fans, this is it.
Victory is sweet!
And the bottom dwellers win by an armature. armadillo's nose.
Yeah! Way to roll, Pinky! Yay!
Pinky! You were so brave. Yes, you were. Yes, you were.
I hate losing to you.
Aw, but you're so good at it. Hand him over, butt breath.
You are now the proud owner of a turbo-powered pancake.
Sweet.